Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Bunny and today we are going to be playing Slime Rancher 2. I love this, I love the first one, so let's get straight into this. Okay, after a long drive ranching, Beatrix LeBeau was enjoying a cool glass of carrot juice as she watched the sunset across the slime sea. Suddenly, a boat arrived at her dock with nothing inside but a mysterious letter. Ooh. You have explored the far, far range from the dusty shores of the dry reef to the furthest reaches of the glass desert, but there are world let uncharted Beatrix LeBeau. Rainbow Island awaits you. Climb aboard if you're ready for a new adventure. I can't speak. Beatrix excitedly boarded the boat, and it took her far across the slime sea. Eventually, she saw an island unlike anything on far range. Mountains, trees, and grasses in the area. I didn't mean to click that. As she explored, she found an abandoned conservatory overlooking the rest of the island. Curiously, it was equipped with everything a slime rancher like her would ever need. Do you know, I can't read. Oh well, don't matter. And so a new adventure begins. Beatrix tightened her boots, readied her backpack, and set out to explore Rainbow Island and uncover its mysteries. I do apologise, It's like really late while I'm recording this, so let's go. So we're on day 1. Let's go and find some slimes. Look at them. Look how cute they are. Hello. Oh, I want them. We'll see if there's any of us how to back like a rancher. Backpack can back things and store them in a backpack tank. Okay, let's suck him up. So we got the pink slime. The sky hue is suddenly proven to be the colour of cheer. Okay, so let's put them in here. There we go. We've got our first slime. Let's get another one. We can't leave him on his own. He needs some friends. There we go. Oh, and another one. More friends. Look at them all. Hey. Oh, they're so cute. Oh, there's another one. Grab him. Oh, there we go. Right, we need to get more of them. I want all of them. Alright, let's go down here and let's explore. Hello, everyone. Rainbow fields. Okay. Look at them all. They're all everywhere. Oh, what are these? Carrots. We'll take all these carrots. Thank you. Oh, more pinks. Take them. Steal them all. What's that? What's on the tree? It's a pogo fruit. It's most delicious. Okay. Right, we need more pink. I want loads of them. I'm going to get all of them. Come here. There we go. Anyone around here? Hello? Is there any other different slimes, or we've only got pink at the moment? Okay. What's around here? What's this? It's a bowl. Open pod. We've got a hydro turret. Target tar and blast them with water. Okay. Oh. You've been knocked out, but several hours of rest should fix you right up. Oh, okay. Oh. Right. Oh. We lost everything. Start again then. Right. So tasty food acquired, food like fruits, veggies, stuff like that. I'm just checking something like that. Oh, it's a little glow one. Oh, softly glowing head of the starlight. Oh my god. Wait a minute. It's a big one. Why did it get so big? They're all going so big. Oh no. Come back. I don't think we can catch the big ones, but I think we can make them. But how? Do you have to put them together? Oh, there's a bunny. Oh, they're all so cute. Oh, I wish this was real life. I'd take them all in. I'd take them. What's that? Wait. What's that? The tar. I've just made him go flying. So they must be bad ones. Oh, what's this? I can't go over this. There's too much cuteness. Take them all. Get them all. The giant bunnies. Ooh. What's this? They can morph together even more. I need him. You're coming with me. You're coming home. You're mine now. I'm not letting you go. Look at how cute he is. He's just smiling. Come on then. Let's put you in. I'm taking you. You're all mine. You're not leaving. Hold up a minute. Everyone's escaped. Right, let's put them in. Let's get everyone. Oi. Why are you all escaping? Get in. No. How are they escaping? Oh, we need to get high walls. Right, so we need an extra 10 for high walls. Oh. Get that. I think you're supposed to sell those. Are they called plots or something? Let's have a look. What's this? Okay, so it says we get 8 coins for them. Alright, let's get it. Do we have enough? We have enough. High walls, and then they can't escape. I don't want them to escape. I'll just get all these. Right, buy that. Yes, I am sure. There we go. Can't get out now. All mine. Can't escape now. Oh, I love this game, man. So cute. Look at them all. All little babies. It's not fair. I wish this was real. I'm all just, in the field. Unfair. That's all I can say. Very unfair. Let's get more. Anyone else? We need to get some more of these, so we'll take these. That's it. Look at them all. They're all big fat things. And we've got some more bunnies. Get another one of you. Sell. Let's continue. Grab him. Grab him. All of these. This game makes me happy. Yeah. Little cuties. Right, okay. Still need to do this food thing, so I need to find some more food. I know there was carrots at the start, but we lost them. So I don't know if they would have grown back, as well as the fruit. It's not grown back yet, so right, I'm having no luck finding any fruit or whatever at the minute. But first I'm gonna sell these and then get a bit more money, because we need a new enclosure so then we can house the other ones. Look at them all, they're all still in there. So let's check. So it's 250. Oh, we can get coops, gardens, what else can we get? Silo, incinerator. Okay. Right, let's continue. Right. It's a hen. Oh, the little chickens. Right, what's down here? Anything good? Oh, what's this down here? It's like a boat. Little thing. What's on here? Anything good? No? No, nothing here. No. I've just lost all of my bunnies. I'm so upset. I'm not happy. But we're gonna sleep till morning. Get in. Hold up a minute. Where's he gone? Oh no, I think he only comes out at night. Oh, what's this? He is now. Victor. Hello, Beatrice. Do you read me? Testing. Perhaps you were lost at sea, taken away by a mysterious boat never to be. Oops, no, just forgot to turn the display on. Nice to see your face again, Beatrix. I have missed you greatly, my dear friend. And while I am quite excited for you to partake in new adventures, last night I received a message from some sort of artificial intelligence program. It was written in code, but no one recognised I'm in the process. But certainly, the message was sent from where you are now, the mysterious Rainbow Island. So to recap, mysterious boat takes you to mysterious island and receive mysterious code from said mysterious island. It all seems quite curious. Well, I've got some work to do. Oh, and I almost forgot to take the home portal. It should make the early stages of your journey easy. Okay, take care, Beatrix. We'll be in touch. Okay, so well, I'm going to end the video here, I think. So if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel to see more from me. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.